Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add numbers in Excel starting with 0. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then select any cell. Now I am select the first cell. Then write a formula. At first write is equal to, then write row, then start the first bracket and write your cell number. We can see the column number is D and the row number is 1. Now I am write D1, then in the bracket, then write -1, then press enter. We can see the number is start at 0. You can increase the number of column, select this plus icon and drag on your mouse and make the automatic number, but we can see the number is start at 0. You can delete any cell, but the number is not deleted automatically. Fill up this number. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.